Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Disk Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to pair your Marshall WOBURN III speaker with your MacBook device. So, at first we need to go to the settings, here, system settings, and here we have to enter the Bluetooth. Now we have to enter the pairing mode, so we have to hold the button, which is the source button, on our speaker when it's set to Bluetooth. If you want to know how to enter the pairing mode, check our channel because we have a video for that. Here in every devices we have our speaker WOBURN III. We have to click connect button here. Now we are connected. Is that easy? That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.